What's the meaning of cava? Cava. Cava.
Cava. Cava. Cava is a type of Spanish sparkling wine that is produced in specifically designated regions of Spain. It is made using the same method as champagne, with the second fermentation taking place in the bottle. Cava is typically made using traditional Spanish grape varieties such as Macabeo, Parellada, and Xarel-Lo. The resulting wine is known for its refreshing acidity and fruity flavors, often with notes of apple, pear, and citrus. Cava is a popular drink for celebrations and is enjoyed both in Spain and around the world.